This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn about the selection structure in GW basic programming language. So first we will read the definition. Selection structure chooses which alternative program statements to execute in GW basic. We have if, then, and if, then, else statements to implement selection structure. So we have two types of structures in selection structure. One is called the if then, and the second one is called the if then else statement. Now first we will discuss the if then statement today. The if then is a decision making statement depending upon discuss over here like this. This is the structure we have, viewers, for an if and if then statement. We will discuss the definition right over here. So this is the graphical representation, which is called the flow chart. If you can see that we have an expression like this, and the one branch you can see that is a true for the true statement, the other one is for the false statement. So we have two options when we select and use the if then statement. So this is a flow chart where you can see that there is a one flow line which is connecting to the expression, and from here there can be two options. One is called the true part and the other one is called the false part. So we will discuss all these definitions, syntax and everything right over here. So depending upon the decision, it can change the order of program execution. It is used to select a path flow in a program based on a condition. A condition is an expression that either evaluates to true, usually represented by 1, or false, represented by 0. So it's very obvious the condition in the expression that either values are true. So true is represented by 1, false is represented by 0. So we can also, write 1 if you want to, and type 0 for false, and 1 for true. The syntax is if expression then statement. So if and then are the keywords we will highlight and make it bolder, and the other syntax is if. So there are two ways you can write the syntax. The first one is the if expression then statement, the other one if expression then line number. So both are applicable, both can be used for executing the if then statement. It is called the selection structure. So now we're going to elaborate it. If the expression is true, then either the statement at the specified line number or the statement following the then keyword is executed. So this should be kept in your mind. Then if the expression is true, then the statement at the specified line number or the statement following the then keyword is executed. So we have shown the flow chart of if then else statement. This is called the flow chart of if then. Now we're gonna write a program. So we will write a program to find out the train fare depending on the kilometers traveled. The minimum fare charged is ₹6. You can see is $6. This minimum fare remains valid for 5 kilometer traveling distance or less. After 5 kilometer, 0.75 cents per, or you can see dollar per kilometer are added to the fare. Now we're gonna type a program for it. Now we'll switch to the IDE of GW Basic viewers. Here we are in the IDE viewers. We have switched to it. We're gonna type a program for it for the train distance covering. At line number 10 we'll type input kilometer and then type double quotes comma k is used as a variable which is used to store the value for kilometer. Line number 20 we'll type if k is less than equal to 5, then print $6 or else. And line number 30 we will type charge single precision symbol is equal to 6 plus k minus 5 into 0.75 precision symbol, because the precision is used to store the real value, decimal value. So there are two types of values we have discussed. One is called the integer value and the other one is called the real numbers. Line number 40 will type print charge sign of exclamation for single precision. Line number 50 will type e and the end. So we'll first store it. We'll press the F4 key and type the name train.bas. Then press F3 to load it and type name of the program again, train.bas. Then press F2 key. So it asks the kilometer. So we'll type 6. So the kilometers are more than 6. So we can see that formula is 6 plus k minus 5. K is the value of 6.5. So 1 into 0.75 will make 0.75, and 0.75 plus 6 is again 6.75. If we give the value like 7, then you can see the result is 7. But if the kilometers are less than or equal to 5, then the result will be 6. So we'll press the F2 key, run it, and we'll type 5. So the result will be 6, because if the value of the kilometers is less than or equal to 5, then the value of the fare of the train ticket will be $6. So 6 is the answer, US dollar 6 is the answer. So this is the program we have learned. So we're gonna understand it by explaining it, the interpretation of it. So now we will understand the program and its output. Here in line number 20, if k is less than or equal to 5, then it will print $6 fare of the train, and the program will end in continuation to the line number 20. Next statement. So the line number 20, next statement is and. Otherwise, if k is less than or equal to 5, then line number 30, 40, and then 50 will be executed. So that's all for today, viewers. We have learned the definition of selection structure, if then statement. We have discussed the flow chart and the definition of the if then statement, its syntax, and learn it with the help of an example, executed and program, and its output, discuss the output and its program and the elaboration of it as well. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video.